Hey, welcome back, Wood students. In this video, we'll cover the second of our three proficiency targets for 3D printing. So in the last video, you modeled an object that satisfied a set of design criteria. You modeled up a cribbage pig that would fit into an 1/8-inch hole. In this video, you're going to use the available technology to convert your 3D model into a .stl format. So on my screen here, I've got a picture of a cribbage pig, but unfortunately, that's all it is, just a virtual 3D model. I can't input this into a 3D printer yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to File, I'm going to hover over the print command in Inventor, and then I'm going to use the Send to 3D Print Service command. So I'll click on that, and then I want to go to my options, and I want to output this in inches. That was the unit that we designed it in, so I want to output it in inches. And we usually, for our 3D printers, will change the resolution on these really small parts like this to a high resolution part. And so now I can click OK. It brings me back to this menu right here. I just want to confirm my scale is still set at 1. And then I'm going to say OK. This is like doing a file save as right now, and it's going to save it as a .stl file. Our 3D printers are networked, so probably the easiest way to get this is if you go to your H drive, that's your lunch number. That H drive will automatically show up when you log on in the next video tutorial to the 3D printer. So I'm going to click on my H drive. You may have hardly any documents in here. This is a drive that doesn't get used very often. So if you want to make a folder, you can, or you can just give it a name so you can find it in the next step. I'm going to call this one my cribbage pig, and you can see I've saved some cribbage pigs here before, so I'm going to give this one a year name so I can find it in the next video. So again, this is going to my H drive. I'll click save, and that is that. We have just use the available technology to convert our 3D model into a .stl format. In the next video, you will preview the 3D printing process, initiate changes if needed, and print a high quality object in an efficient manner. So if you've got questions in the meantime, ask your instructor. Otherwise, you may move on to the next video.